In figure 6.42, if lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT is equal to 40 degrees, angle RPT is equal to 95 degrees and angle TSQ is equal to 75 degrees, then find angle SQT. Now moving on to the solution. Here he has given two lines, those are intersecting, that is PQ and RS at T, such that certain angles are given, that are, let us note down them. PRT is equal to 40 degrees, angle RPT is equal to 95 degrees and angle TSQ is equal to 75 degrees. Later on he asked us to find the angle SQT. In order to find angle SQT, if we can find the value of STQ, it will be easy, as STQ forms a triangle. And in order to find the value of angle STQ, if we are able to find PTR value, then it will be easy, as STQ and PTR are vertically opposite angles and those will be equal. And later it is easy to find the value of PTR, as in triangle PTR, angle P and angle R are given. Therefore, let us consider in the first step PRT as triangle, and sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We get angle RPT plus angle PRT plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees. That implies RPT is given as 95 degrees and angle PRT is given as 40 degrees plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees, which implies 95 degrees plus 40 degrees is 135 degrees plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees, which implies angle PTR is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, which will be equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, we got angle PTR as 45 degrees. Now, if we observe clearly, about point T, angle PTR and angle STQ are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, they will be equal. Therefore, can write PTR is equal to STQ is equal to 45 degrees. Again, if we observe in triangle STQ, angle SQT is to be formed. Therefore, by applying the formula that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, we can write angle QTS plus angle SQT plus angle QST is equal to 180 degrees, which implies angle QTS is 45 degrees plus angle SQT is, which we need to find, plus angle QST is 75, which is given, will be equal to 180 degrees. That implies angle SQT plus 45 plus 75 is 120 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. That implies angle SQT is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, and which is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle SQT is equal to 60 degrees is the solution.